How to fix can't collaborate on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the problem like can't make collaboration on Instagram because they don't have access to Instagram Music. First, as you have to just open your Instagram app with your account. After you open Instagram and from here tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile section tap on three lines at the top right. From the settings and activity, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Creator Tools and Controls. From the section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Switch Account Type. Now from here, you'll have to just switch to your business. Simply, you'll have to just convert or switch to your professional account. After you switch to your professional account, you'll have to just try to add new post with the same music from where you want to make a collaboration, and from there you can make a collaboration with the music you want to add on that. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.